How to log in router IP address 192.168.100.1. Step 1. Make sure your device is connected to router either via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Open any web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just make sure the internet is working. Step 3. In the address bar type 192.168.100.1 and press enter. This action will take you to the login page. Here enter your username and password. The default login details are usually printed on the backside of your router or in the user manual. Common default username are admin and password might be password. After entering these credentials, click Login. Once you are logged in, you'll see the router admin dashboard. From here, you can change your Wi-Fi password, check connected devices, update firmware, and more. Troubleshooting tips. If you're unable to log in, try resetting your router by pressing the reset button on the back for about 10 seconds. After that, use the default login credentials to log in again. And also ensure that you've entered the correct IP address, which is 192.168.100.1. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.